In the deep Amazon forests of Brazil lives one of the most breathtaking parrots on Earth, the golden conure, also known as the Queen of Bavaria. Scientifically called Garrulus auricopolis, this rare parrot glows with brilliant golden yellow feathers with only flashes of deep green on its wings. Native to the Amazon basin of northern Brazil, these parrots live in tight social flocks, often helping each other raise their chicks, a rare cooperative behavior among parrots. They grow about 13 inches long and can live 20 to 30 years, making them both intelligent and long-term companions. But what makes them even more fascinating is their rarity. Habitat loss and illegal trapping pushed them close to extinction, making them one of the most protected parrots in the world today. Because of this rarity, the golden conure is also one of the most expensive conures, often costing $2,000 to over $6,000, depending on breeding and availability. A living piece of the Amazon, glowing like flying gold. If you learned something new about this incredible parrot, comment your favorite parrot species and share this with someone who loves rare birds.